All right, on this you try, let's look at the first one. N squared times n to the third times 7n. All right, so even though there are no coefficients, I want us to have that habit of, if there's nothing in front, just write a 1 in front. All right, we just don't write that 1 because it's redundant, but because we're starting out, we need to have that vision to see 1 in front. So what do we do with the coefficients? That is correct, we multiply these, so 1 times 7 is 7. What do I do with the exponents? That is correct, I'm going to add the exponents, but before I add the exponents, I need to check what? That is correct, whether they have the same base. Do these have the same bases? Cool, they do, so I can go ahead and add all the exponents. So I have 2 plus 3 plus, wait, what's the exponent on this? If there's no number on top, what's the exponent? That's correct, 1. So I have 7n to the 6. Alright, looking at B, I'm going to go ahead and start off by multiplying the exponents. 2 times 7 times 2. 14 times 2 is 28. Now, I'm going to look at the variables. Which ones can I add the exponents of? The x's or the y's? Do I even add the exponents? No, I think I'll only add the y exponent. So x squared, because you can't add it with a y, because it's not the same base. And I have y to the third plus 4. This will give me 28 x squared y to the 7th. And for our last example, I'm going to have m squared times n to the negative 2 times 7m. Alright, we're getting a little bit more complicated. Alright, so let's check first. What are the coefficients? 1, 1, and 7. I'm going to go ahead and multiply all three coefficients. 1 times 1 times 7 is 7. And which exponents can I combine? All of them? That's correct. I only combine the exponents of m and m. So m2 plus 1, n to the negative 2. So this gives me 7m third and negative 2. Oh, I'm allergic. Negative 2 is not allowed. So I need to go ahead and bring this to the bottom. So I have 7m on top, 7m2 third on top, over n squared for your final answer. Alright, out of these three, how many did you get correct? That last one was a little tough.